and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be doing a speed build by making a park with the new items that just got added to Bloxburg. If you did not see the video that I posted for the items, you can go check that out right after this one's done. Anyways, I hope you enjoy the speed build. Well, that took forever. Anyways, we're gonna name our house something else. It's gonna be play. It's not gonna be. Hold on. That's what it's called, park. And now let's give ourselves a tour. So we of course have to use the mailbox. Unfortunately, we can't get rid of it. So it's gonna be stuck there. Here is the parking lot. Just park. Here's the sign that says playground, kind of covered. We'll figure out what that is. Here is some walking areas. We have the trees, and they're dirt with some benches. So the parents can sit down, and these pathways lead all the way through here, over here, and all the way back. So right here we have the merry-go-round. We can go spin, you spin me right round, baby, right round like a record player. Oh, run now. So that's fun. We have the seesaw. I can't use without, I need to use another person, but I think it actually works. So we're not going to try right now, though. Here is the playground that was at my old house. We can swing on it, which is fun. We can go up here, go down the slide. Alright, why is the sun coming up? Anyways, we have more things like this sandcastle area that we can play in. Rebuild that. We can play with these little sand buckets. Whoops. Now let's go on the playground that I built. So over here is like the real entrance. You can walk around in here. We have a slide right here, and then you go heading into that. We have some more areas, a bridge. Then here's a competition. You can race with bridge or the tunnel, which is probably fun. We have double slides, so you can go down together. Well, not like literally together, but anyways, here's the bridge, and then those are the stairs. Anyways, now we are going to say goodbye because there's not really that much in this build. But anyways, if you liked this speed build, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell, and have a good day. Goodbye.